Which one is the best, STG versus contemporary? Tell me, which one are the best? My pizza, the STG is the best, not yours. Take a look, guys. Mine is the best, contemporary versus STG. Okay, guys, now it's your time to watch this video and let's see who's gonna win. Okay, now it's time to understand the STG, the classic Neapolitan pizza, how the Neapolitan pizza was born. This technique is very simple to make. It's always the authentic Neapolitan pizzerias in Naples, they use this technique. This is recognized from VPN, the association. So this is the way and the original recipe of Neapolitan pizza. So we're gonna need 300 grams of cold water, 2 grams of dry yeast. So this is gonna be a really long leavening time. I will talk to you about in a little bit. 510 grams of flour. You can put the whole flour in. Now let's mix up a little bit, just as the flour to absorb the water. At this point, when it's like this, we're gonna add 10 grams of sea salt. This dough is a direct method, and this is the way how even my grandfather used to make. Let's put everything together in the bowl. And like you can see, this dough also is very low on hydration. So now let's go ahead, that is all together, let's work the dough on top of the counter. We have to work the dough until everything is integrated. When you don't see all this flour, the dough is ready. So we're gonna work the dough about 15 minutes. Okay, the dough is about to be ready. We can see when it's this texture that is all together and a little bit smooth, we're gonna go ahead, put it in a counter, close it, otherwise it's gonna dry out. We're gonna let it rest for 30 minutes or so before making the balls. What STG means? STG means, what vuol dire?
Specialità tradizionale garantite.
Specialty traditional guaranteed. In English is guaranteed traditional specialty. Well, it's okay, we got this. So now let's wait this to the 30 minutes goes by, and then now I'm gonna explain to you about how to make the contemporanea pizza, the new style of pizza. This dough is made with a really high hydration, so more water, because the water makes the dough and the pizza really soft, a little bit more sticky compared to the regular STG. When we are going to put the pizza in the oven, the water inside the dough will evaporate, and that makes the crust really high and puffy, and because all the gluten structure is more elastic, and automatically you have the soft inside and the crunchy outside. So that's why it's very photogenic, videogenic, and also is more easy to digest, because of course it's more water. Let's go back on the STG and let me make the balls and then explain you all about the timing of fermentation and leavening process. Okay guys, 30 minutes is passed by. Like you can see, boom, the dough it's a little bit more smooth. So at this point we can go ahead and make the balls. The original STG pizza, even the contemporary pizza, is 280 grams dough balls. We're gonna go ahead and make 3 balls, because every 100 milliliters of water makes 1 pizza. So in this case we have 3 pizza because we use 300 milliliters of water. So now at this point we're gonna go ahead and close it and let it rest for 8 to 10 hours at room temperature, because the super low yeast that we put. But of course we have the dough already made and ready to use. I want to explain to you after 8 hours what we got. So this is after literally 2 hours of timing the contemporary vs the 3 balls that we made last night. Right now it's about 9 o'clock in the morning, and like you can see, the dough it's ready and it's really compact compared to this one that is super bubbly, because this got more air inside. Air packet is more soft. Like you can see, it's really sticky but soft and full of air, and this one it's more smooth, more tight, and is not super sticky or soft like that one. So now it's time for you, it's time to share. Please, it's totally free to share. Thank you so much for the support. Now it's time to see in deep the STG pizza. When I get the pizza from the box, is super easy because of course the low hydration. See, all the air, it's full of air, the dough, and it's super easy to work. So let's go ahead and let me stretch the pizza, let me show you. So like you can see, I'm just pressing, try everything. I'm just leaving like a half an inch of crust, and now we just don't worry about the stretching part. We just press everything. Like you can see, it's dry and easy to work. So now that we have the pizza about 12 inches stretch, we go ahead and add the tomato sauce. The ingredients are the same, but it's different from the contemporary because we go a little bit outside the crust. Like you can see here, we have only half an inch. Then we put the Parmesan cheese, and then we go with the basil. And then we go with the cheese. The cheese also goes everywhere. We have to cover all the pizza, and then olive oil. Let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Like you can see, easy to put it in. So let's go ahead, let's get it. The pizza is the side of the peel, a little bit outside. This way, it's a typical, really authentic STG. The pizza is ready. Like you can see, it took only a little bit of time, and voila! This is the classic STG Neapolitan pizza. It's soft and crunchy, but a little bit different look. That's why all people use the contemporary pizza now, because the looking. But trust me guys, this pizza, it's really good. Let me show you the crust. So this is the, look at this, the crust. It's nice fermented. So people in Naples eat, or in Italy, people eat the pizza with fork and knife, because the pizza, it's really soft, that you have to eat it with fork and knife. But also, this is the way how they eat the authentic pizza. Voila, they flip this over, they put it right there, and let me taste it. Oh my God. We taste Naples here. Wow. Okay, my favorite part is making the contemporanea pizza. Let's go ahead and let's see in deep how this pizza is made. It's a little difficult to take it out, because this is the most important part. You're gonna go ahead, take it out like that, and then boom, down. Like you can see here, it's full of air and very soft. So in this case here, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of flour on the floor here, and then land the dough on top of the flour. So now we stretch. So guys, how we stretch this? It's super different from the other one. We have to press gently the air to the crust, leaving 1 inch of the pizza. Then we press all the air and we keep it there. The crust needs to be full of air and not dough. Voila, we have 1 inch of dough. Now we flip it over. Again, we press all the air that is in the center to the crust. We keep all the air and we give a little pressure on the crust. This way it cuts. So now let's go ahead gently. We do this technique. This way we don't touch the crust. The goal here is not touching the crust. Otherwise we're gonna lose the air inside and we're not gonna have the nice puffy crust. And voila! Same thing here, all the ingredients are the same, but the tomato sauce needs to be put inside the crust. We wanna leave the crust free. Parmesan cheese everywhere. And then basil, we're gonna do the same thing here. Put basil everywhere, and fresh mozzarella, all dry out. And then whatever you wanna put. Now let's put a little bit of olive oil on top of the basil, and everywhere, voila. Pizza is ready to go in the oven. It's gonna be difficult to put it on the peel, so always this is made with 2 people. Or put a little bit of flour, pinch, but be careful when you pinch, go under, and then peel under like that. Now at this point we have to pinch. Put the finger under, and we're gonna make the pizza bigger. And voila guys, the pizza is about 12 inches, a little bit lightly smaller compared to the other one. And let's go ahead and let's cook it. Put there, and then this pizza cooks a little bit slower. So it needs about 2 minutes. So we have to put the pizza really a little bit far from the flame, otherwise the hydration is not gonna be able to cook the pizza because it's more hydrated. Okay guys, the pizza, 3, 2, 1, like you can see, boom! Look at this pizza, look at this crust. This is a contemporary pizza, and then of course it's a new school of hydration. Like you can see, holds it, but listen to this, because that's the goal of my pizzas, is soft and crunchy at the same time. It's beautiful, of course, but the goal is this. I want to show you, and I usually do like in between the contemporary versus the other one. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. They cut it with the scissors, of course, to show the inside of the crust, because we don't want to waste the beauty of this pizza. So First of all, take a look, get a close shot on this. See, it's empty, empty, empty. You see this? But look at this. What we are talking about here, the perfect of contemporary pizza is this. You have the softener inside and the crunchy outside. So this makes the pizza nice and crunchy. I mean, nice and soft and crunchy in the same time. Let's go ahead, before putting it all together, make it all together and put it side by side, and let's taste. Wow, wow, oh. It's super light. So now let's put this on the side and let's compare both together and see how they come out. I want to see your face and your comment below. What do you think, which one is the best? Let's go ahead, let me show you the both of it, one side to the other one. Let's go ahead. This is the, like you can see, much drier, STG. And now let's get my favorite one, which is contemporary pizza. Pizza contemporanea. So this is the STG, like you can see. Boom, boom, baby. Let's go. STG first inside. Voila. Boom. And contemporary pizza inside too. Voila. And we put it right there. Boom, baby. Smash the like, subscribe, and share for the love of pizza. I'm excited to see your face when they are both side by side, and I'm excited also to see your comment below. Which one you prefer? Which one was more easy? Which one was you love? Okay, STG, boom, ready? Allò, that's a nice pizza. That's a nice pizza. And 3, 2, 1. Boom, baby, the soft and crunchy and the love of contemporary pizza. It's ready. Take a look, smash the like, let's see. Woo, woo, my God, I don't even want to stay there. And then this, it's a little less, but still. Guys, your turn to see which one is the best. Contemporanea versus STG authentic Neapolitan pizza. Let's go ahead and I'll see you every week with new video. Phew.